So how to remove a trusted computer on your iPhone? Uh, Go to your setting, and then you need to open a general option. Press on general and go down, and you need to say transfer or reset iPhone. You have to press on reset iPhone, and then you have to press on reset again. So this reset means you don't lose any data like uh, photo or video or any kind of password. Just remove the location and privacy, like trusted device. So just press on reset location and privacy, and you need to put your password. And all once put your passcode, enter your screen time passcode, and press on reset setting. So it's done. So this is how you can easily remove trusted device from your iPhone. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. Have a good day.